everybody, in this video we'll talk about the horizontal line test. So when we're looking at inverse functions, we can do what's called the horizontal line test. And a function is going to be one-to-one and therefore have an inverse if no horizontal line intersects the graph in more than one point. So remember, it's a function if it crosses the vertical line test, which both of these cross the vertical line test. But it is a one-to-one function if it crosses the horizontal line test. So you can see this red line, as I draw this red line, it's only going to cross through one point of the function. Same with this one. No matter which horizontal line I pick, it'll only cross the function at one place. But if we take a look at this function, g of x, this horizontal line crosses through the function at two different points. Okay, I could even draw a line down here that's going to cross through the function at four different points. So this function, g of x, is not one-to-one. Now let's look at our examples. First, let's make sure each of our examples are functions. My vertical line test says that one is a function, this second one is a function, and this third one is a function. Same with 4, 5, and 6. Okay. The horizontal line test, no matter what line I draw, horizontal line I draw through this function, it's only going to cross through once. So yes, this function's one-to-one. However, this next one, this horizontal line crosses through at 2 points on the function. So this is not one-to-one. Alright, for these point ones you have to be very careful. And I like to draw a horizontal line through each of my points to make sure it's not going to cross through 2 points. Okay, so do you see how each of these horizontal lines only crosses through 1 point? That means yes, it's one-to-one. This function, this parabola, a horizontal line is going to cross through twice. So it is not one-to-one. This function at this point and at this point is okay, but down in the middle of it, it crosses through at 2 points. So no, this one's not one-to-one. Now, each point I draw a horizontal line through, it's only going to cross the horizontal line one time. It's only going to have 1 point on the horizontal line. So yes, this one is one-to-one as well. So that's the horizontal line test.